Kigina Gia Kaunti matogorete ni kaja magavana ni makoreto magikayani ushirithuri wa Kigina Gia Kaunti muthenya muthe gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Baraza agikiarita na kuri ministry ya Kigina bũrũri-inĩ kurekereria Kigina kia mwaka uyu na ihenya kuona ati matihotaga gukinya tungata kuri muingĩ matari na Kigina giki.
Mimi kama mwenyekiti wa kamati ya fedha, mipango na uchumi kwa Council of Governors, nachukua fursa hii kwanza kuambia waziri wa fedha in the national government, Professor Njuguna Ndung'u, ya kwamba counties are now owed over 70 billion Kenya shillings being disbursement for the month of November, December na January.
Muikariri gitio wa Kigina kia baratha ya kajo ya magavana bũrũri-inĩ ni ugitete gushirithirwo kwa muigana uyu wa mbeca cia county uramashokia na thutha na njira nene guko akiendekithia Kigina giki kuongererwo nginyagia ciringi bilioni 450 harĩ mwaka wa Kigina wa 2024-2025.
The PFM Act is very clear that you're supposed to release monies by 15th of every month. That is already provided for in the PFM Act as section 17. Lakini tumeona for the last 3 months a delay in disbursement of funds to counties. We are expected kulipia watoto bursary. We are expected kulipia contractors the pending bills. There is no way we can pay for the pending bills ikiwa pesa hatupati kutoka kule national government, which has delayed for now 3.
Fernandes akihigura irathimo na ikolomani na kuruguria waki wa imwe cia barabara ni atariirie bata wa kugia na tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kuri county gũkũ akenera ati thirikari yake ya county ya Kakamega aigithĩtie ciringi milioni 600 kũhũra njeki tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere matũra-inĩ maya.
This is an issue which we are going to discuss pia na waziri ambaye anahusika.
Gerifotera Muthingi TV geto wa elimu wa Kimani.